Jaipal University, Jaipur are here to present the common problems faced while running an ESET. Firstly, non-availability of speakers. For this, we can collaborate with other ESETs and other bodies which promote entrepreneurship. For example, we had workshops by IIT Mumbai like Invoice, Illuminate, etc. We can also hold interviews of entrepreneurs and present them to our audience and hold discussions on them. We can also invite our professors to come forward and share their experiences. For example, our management professor gave an expert lecture on job versus entrepreneurship. Moving ahead, lack of enthusiasm in participants can also be a challenge. For that, interactive sessions and mentoring can really motivate them. Recognition as volunteers and organizing committee for the various events organized can also be a solution. Rewards such as cash prizes and participation certificates can also help in their motivation. ESET goodies like t-shirts and bands, etc. can also be a solution. Non-cooperative authorities is a big problem. For that, we can formulate an year plan of our activities, our events that we can organize and present them. We can also approach faculty members who have a positive approach or attitude towards building entrepreneurs. We can also use VoIP in case of lack of infrastructure.
Lack of sponsorship. For this, we can collaborate the different entrepreneurship promoting bodies. Like we are in the flow of partnering with the TAI, Startup Oasis, MEN. We can charge minimal amount of ESET membership fee. We can go for seed funds from the organizers, and as well as we can go for selling ESET goodies, and we can have a bit of commission and we can organize those events for the future growth. Next. Lack of enthusiasm in members. So first thing I mentioned over here is interactive and mentoring sessions. So basically, as a team leader of my ESET, I find like the basic thing is you need to attach the members with the professional goal with the personal goal, so they can give more tangible outputs. Secondly, you can go for the hand-holding approach, which is also known as buddy system. We can follow horses for courses approach, and moreover, we can have personal meetings, or you can say personal goal settings by the team leader or by the teacher coordinator.
Moving ahead, credibility of ESET in college. To gain credibility, social media marketing is one of the most important factor. Delivering relevant workshops and competition will also be very important. For example, we had B-Plan workshop, we had a business and debate quiz, we had entrepreneurship awareness camp by DST Rajasthan, and by each event our outreach was even more. We can have a leadership body in place for a year, and for example, we are in the phase of having office bearers. Open day for entrepreneurs. Also, lack of recognition is another challenge faced. For that, positive branding by mouth publicity is very important. We can also publish newsletters of our various events. Iconic event and media partnership is also very crucial. Stage 2.
Stage 2. ESET sustainability. For the ESET sustainability, we plan to have ESET membership recruitment twice in a year. We already done the first recruitment, and we ended up by having more than 220 members. So they are the positive promoters for our ESET. We can go for the collaboration with the different entrepreneurship and promoting bodies and the pioneer institution. Like she took the example of Department of Science and Technology. The Department of Science and Technology conducted entrepreneurship awareness campaign, which they self-sponsored that event and they invited all the speakers. So by this event, our social outreach goes to like nearby 4K, and our physical outreach was become more than 200 by this event only. So even we partnered with the Startup Oasis, which is one of the pointer institution in Rajasthan, which provide incubation to the different people. We conducted Global Youth Entrepreneurship Summit with the partnership of Global Incubator. So these are all our current partners. We can go for forming a leadership body, so which can see the later performance. Like basically, we plan for 3-tier functionality: the office bearer, then the manager, then the organizing committee as per the events. We can go for intra-college event in 1 month and inter-college event in 3 months, which we are like regularly doing it. We are doing a event known as Nakaito in our Tech Fest, which is going to happen in March. We also planning to have a case study competition in the same Tech Fest, and we're gonna have like a lot of leadership development session. Like recently, a leadership session was taken by Mr. Chintan Bakshi, who also talked about the various flow of entrepreneurship. But basically, like one of the initiatives which our college took because of our requests is we introduced entrepreneurship as a subject in open curriculum, so anybody can opt for it, irrespective of any year. And we can go for various leadership development program. We recently, I just took the example of Global Youth Entrepreneurship Development Seminar. So we have a lot of different speakers from different regions. So that's all we had. Moved it. That's the first one.